How to change your avatar on Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon from the top right of your screen and further tap on the Style Avatar option you see there on top. Now, in the interface that you will be led to if you want to shop for avatar, then you can scroll through and shop and pay accordingly in this interface itself. And if you want to simply edit your avatar free of cost, then tap on the edit button. You will then be able to make all types of changes to your avatar. Start by adding outfits to your avatar, followed by adding tops, bottoms, hair, face, eyes, body, facial hair, expressions, hats, and various other details as such. Once you are done making the changes, tap on the Save button and further tap on the Confirm button, and with this, the changes you made will be saved. So, this is how you can change your avatar on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.